Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. I'm here to greet you all. As you can see, I go to the supermarket to buy something to close my nose. So I can't find anyone. So I have to use the one I have in my house. As you can see, everywhere is full up. You have no place to buy something. You have no place to enter inside the market. I said, let me use what I have in my house to close my nose and my mouth so that I cannot contact the coronavirus, as you can see it. Okay. Well, I'm here to talk about my beautiful business. It's all about aloe vera. So I can't speak Hausa without closing my mouth and my nose. So I said, let me use what I have in my house. So I am here to tell you guys all about the aloe vera. As you can see, this is my real face. I couldn't put makeup. I couldn't put pancake, just my real face. I know those of you that know me before, you will know my real face. And you can see it now, there is a changes in my face. So let me show you guys, my beautiful sisters, my beautiful brothers. Let me show you what you can see. You know, I know you may say there is a spot in my face. Before it was a pimples. I had a lot of pimples in my face. So it's all about aloe vera now, as you can see. And I'm going to assure you that from not till next week or not till 7 days, you will see that I will not have any more spot in my face. So let me let you, my beautiful sisters and brother, even if you are a man, you can also use it. You can also use it, yes. There's a lot of men that have pimples in their face. Or by way, when you shave your beard, you must have a lot of ashes here. So let me tell you about the aloe vera, what it's doing, and then what is about him. So aloe vera is very good to use, and I also have the perfume. It is very good. Whatever you are using, aloe vera is so beautiful. You know, if you want to reduce, if you want to make your hair to grow, and if you want to have a better skin and a beautiful skin, please just contact me and go to my my YouTube. Go to my YouTube, you will find me there. Just Mr. Stevie Evelyn, you will find my YouTube. Well, let me introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Stevie as Charosto Obudu, one of France. That is my name. So this is about aloe vera. As you can see, I have 3 products in my hand. This is a Majesty spray. As you can see, this is a preparation, and this is a demolition. So you guys know the meaning of demolition. Demolition is that where you it's something like something that is not good. You have to remove it. You have to demolish it. So these 3 things you are seeing in my hand now, right now, is going to work for you. Just a little price. It's going to work for you, and it's a good produce. This is aloe vera produce. So let me let you guys to know. Please, you see these 3 things. Before going to your bed, you use this pollution to clean your face. Then you can also order for the wet facilitator, which I have it. You can use this to clean your face. After washing your face with this, then you take this to rub it. This is the clean demolition. So you can rub it with this. Then after finishing rubbing it, this is the Majesty spray. So just spray it to your face, in your full face like this. Just spray it to your face. Just leave it and go to your bed. By the time you wake up in the morning, you will see that your face, you have a different face. It's not like the face you had before. You will see that. And I'm here to tell you guys, and my beautiful sisters, my beautiful ladies, my beautiful people. So let me let you guys to know. Please just contact me, inbox me. I will send you whatever you want. I have a lot of produce in my house. I'm just going to give some to someone. That is why I am here in outside. I said, let me advertise my little business now. Thank you guys. Thank you all. Please, you can go to my YouTube to hear about more information aloe vera. Thank you guys. Please, let me use this opportunity to beg you guys and to tell you all. Please, go to my YouTube, Stevie Evelyn. Just touch the notification button and the red button, please. Just try to touch it. You are not going to pay money. You are not going to use a credit. Just for you to put your hand, just so. So please, just do it for me. I'm begging you guys. I'm begging you all. Please, I love you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. We'll see you again next time. Goodbye.